Page number 48 in General Knowledge book. Ocean word. What is the meaning of ocean? Ocean means कि समुद्र. Complete the crisscross puzzle given on the adjacent page with the help of this clues. Crisscross solve करनी है. मैंने उसके सामने जो क्वेश्चन है आंसर लिखा है आपको क्रिस क्रॉस वर्ड में वो वैसे लिख लेना है. फर्स्ट लुक एट दिस इमेज एंड आइडेंटिफाई दिस स्पाइसेस ऑफ शार्क. पिक्चर 1 में जो इमेज है उसको देखो, फिर आइडेंटिफाई करो, देन राइट अ नेम. हैमर हेड. नंबर 3 अक्रोश में दिस इज अ वार्म blooded mammal that often swims in very cold waters. A layer of white cold blubber which is 7 to 10 centimeter thick. Keep it warm in warm waters. It feels too hot and has to fan its flipper in the air cool down. That is a seal. S-E-L, seal. Number 6. These are plant-like organisms that make food through the photosynthesis. They all contain chlorophyll, but many become brown or red because of the presence of some other pigments. Algae. Number 7. This mollusk has 8 arms called tentacles. That is the octopus. 11. This sea creature gives out secretions itself defense which form pulse in them. Oyster. 13. This is type of algae that grows in the sea called seaweed. These are fish roe. This is mammal that spends its whole life in water. It resembles a fish but has lungs instead of gills and has to come up to the water surface for breathing in air. That is a dolphin. Now down. This crab wears an empty shell discarded by other animals like snails, crabs, etc. for protection. When it grows out of a shell, it moves into another shell. It is a hermit crab. Often mistaken for a jellyfish, this sea creature is called the Portuguese man of war. It is a water-dwelling predatory creature. It spends its adult life attached to a rock on the seabed or in a pulse on the shore. It captures food with its tentacles. It is sea anemone. 5th, a crown of thorns is a type of this creature. Starfish. They are tiny plants and animals that drift through the layers of the ocean and serve as a food for many small sea creatures. Plankton. Number 9. Found in large number of the southern coast of Australia, this shark is among the most dangerous of all sea creatures. It is called the great white shark. Number 10. The egg of this fish are a delicacy called caviar. Stargone. Number 12. This fish is also delicate, especially the smoked salmon. 13. Let us end with a very easy one. This animal is the largest mammal on earth. It is called the blue whale. Now, page number 50. सारेगामा. सारेगामा क्या है? That is the rhythm. Interchanges the word bold to make correct sentences. आपको ब्लैक बोल्ड जो वर्ड्स दिख रहे हैं उसको इंटरचेंज करना है. First, the most well-known form of classical music in North India is हिंदुस्तानी। यहाँ पे तराना लिखा है तो तराना इज़ अ रॉन्ग, हिंदुस्तानी इज़ अ राइट। सो रॉन्ग वर्ड को क्रॉस आउट करके हिंदुस्तानी राइट करना है। सेकेंड, अलाप is the most popular form of the classical music in South India. No. Carnatic. Number 3, ghazal is a very style or a school of singing in Hindustani classical music. No. Gharana is a style or school of singing in Hindustani classical music. Some of these schools are based in Agra, Jaipur and the Gwalior, among many others. Fourth, Tansen was one of the most famous singers of Drupad form of Hindustani classical music. Alap is the introductory part of the musical compositions. It touches upon all the aspects of the raga that will be followed. Number 6, Jugalbandi is performed by two instrumental or singers. Number 7, Tarana is a compositions in which mnemonics are used. Syllables like Tana, Bir, Dani and Tadani are popular. That is the name of the syllables which are used in Tarana. Number 8, the lyrical poem, usually based on the theme of love, is a ghazal. It is mainly written in Urdu. Ghazal is a lyrical poem and it is also written in Urdu. Number 9, khayal is a style of singing that became popular during the time of Amir Khusro. Khayal is a one kind of singing pattern which written in the time of Khusro, Amir Khusro. Number 10, bhajan has a devotional quality. It words express praise for the deities and tell mythical tales. Then turn the page. On page number 51, here we have yoga for better living. You and me all know very well that exercise is very important in our life. Yoga for better living. Take the correct option. First, what does the Sanskrit word yoga means? It means union. Second, what are the postures adopted during yoga called asanas? Third, which asanas is usually for people who have sit for long hours? It strengthens their backbone, improves their concentrations and helps those who suffers from the earths and gods. Padmasana. Padmasana is a very important for people that who live for long time and who sit for long hours. Number 4, these asanas improve blood circulations in our body. It strengthens our arms muscles as well as our leg muscles. Which asana is this? This is the Mayurasana. Mayurasana is the best for our blood circulation. Number 5, which asanas help us to get rid of the fat around our waist or abdomen and also strengthen the rib cages. The fat which is around our waist and abdomen is removed from the Dhanurasana asana. This is very important for the fat that is lays around our abdomen and the waist. You can see Dhanurasana, Vajrasana, Padmasana in the pictures. Number 6, which asanas increases our blood circulations along the spinal cord and makes it suppler. It also brings relief to those suffering from the arthritis. That is a Trikonasana. Number 7, which asanas strengthens our bones and the muscles, helps improve the shapes of our chest and also make the spine more flexible. So that is also Dhanurasana. Dhanurasana is a very important. Number 8, which asanas strengthen the lower part of our body and relieve arthritic pain and stomach disorder. That is a Vajrasana. Now turn the page number 52. What on earth. Write T for true and F for false. First, igneous rocks are also known as the volcanic rocks. Examples of this type of rocks are the granitic and the basalt. That is true. Number 2, sedimentary rocks are formed when the exciting rocks are changed underground by the intense heat of pressure. False. Molten rock inside the earth is called the lava. False. Rocks, they form the earth's crust, continuously destroyed and the remade. This is called the rock cycle. True. Sediments include the traces of plants and animals left buried within rock formation. False. The crust and the upper mantle together form a hard shell of the earth known as the metamorphic layer. False. Rocks are composed of natural, non-living chemical substance called minerals. That is a true. The age of rock can be determined by the fossils found in it. True. Rock may gradually change from one type to another. That is also true. So I hope you all understand well, and you have to complete till page number 52 in our book. And thank you for listening me.